If you are experiencing problems with the screen recording feature in the snipping tool, do not worry, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take. First, ensure you are using the correct method to access the recorder. You can launch the snipping tool by searching for it in the Windows search bar and clicking on the application. Alternatively, a quick shortcut to open the recorder is by pressing Windows plus Shift plus R. Once the snipping tool is open, you can select the area of your screen you wish to record, then click on Start. You may be prompted to grant it access, and the recording will begin after a 3-second countdown. To finish your recording, click on the designated symbol once the recording is complete. If this functionality is not working as expected, we can try resetting the application. Search for the snipping tool in your Windows search bar again. This time, click on the download pointing arrow next to its name, and select App Settings. Scroll down within the App Settings until you find the option to terminate the application. Click on this button. Following that, locate and click on the Repair option. You will see a tick mark appear once the repair process is successfully completed. Next, click on the Reset button, and then click on Reset once more. You will again see a tick mark appear indicating that the reset is complete. These steps often resolve issues with the snipping tool's recording capabilities. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.